Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein breakfast smoothie recipe, ideal as a quick and easy protein and fiber rich breakfast on those busy mornings. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 cup or 1 glass of water. Add in half of a very ripe frozen banana. Using frozen banana will give a nice creamy texture to the smoothie. However, that is entirely optional. You can use half of a fresh banana instead of frozen banana. Half cup chopped pineapple. You can also use frozen pineapple instead of fresh pineapple. For some natural healthy fats, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon 100% all natural peanut butter. This peanut butter does not contain any added sweetness. I have already shared how to make peanut butter at home. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. 1 scoop of protein powder of your choice. For an added chocolate flavor, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon raw cacao powder. For some omega-3 healthy fats, fiber and protein, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Note that I'm not adding any dairy milk or added sugar in this smoothie. And now I'm going to blend all this really well into a smoothie batter consistency. Pour the thick and creamy smoothie onto a serving glass. Top it with a teaspoon of raw cacao nibs. And my super healthy, high protein, quick breakfast smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy breakfast smoothie recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.